everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chantel and this is our day 3 for our chicken that we cooked in bulk. And tonight we're going to be doing teriyaki chicken broccoli with some jasmine rice. And full flavor again, healthy, and I'm going to teach you how easy it is to do a homemade teriyaki sauce. So I've already chopped up my chicken, as you can see. I've already parboiled my broccoli and the rice is already done. I did jasmine because jasmine has like a natural floral flavor. You could use any kind of rice you want. You could use basmati, long grain, brown rice. You could do whatever, but I chose that tonight. And so that's all ready. And the teriyaki, the sauce is already done, but I will put down below the ingredients. Super easy. A cup of water, half a cup of, I use light low sodium soy sauce. That way I can add salt if I wanted to afterwards. And a clove of garlic chopped. And I splashed in a little fresh orange just to give it a little extra, and a half a cup of packed light brown sugar. Brought that up to a boil, and then I did a slurry of cornstarch and water, so like a tablespoon of cornstarch and a little less than half of a quarter of a cup of water. Mix that till the cornstarch dissolves. When your sauce comes to a boil, you're going to whisk that in slowly and gently, and to however thick you want it. So when it reaches that boiling point, and as soon as you hit the cornstarch to the liquid, it's going to thicken instantly. So be careful depending on how thick you want it. If you were to put all of that, it might be too thick for you. So just do it slowly, back and forth. And I did a little bit thicker this time because I know when I pour it in over the broccoli and the chicken, because there's a lot of natural moisture already in the broccoli, so it's gonna lighten the sauce up as well. So, are you ready? Let's get cooking. All right, so we're gonna add our chopped chicken in first. And I brought that up to a high so it can hurry up and get heated up. And remember, this was the chicken that already had seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and I grilled it. So lots of natural flavor from that already that we're adding into our teriyaki chicken. Okay, so we're gonna let that warm up for a little bit. All right, so this is getting nice and heated. Okay, so let's just throw in our broccoli. Again, our broccoli was already cooked. You can hear the water hitting the bottom of that. We need to evaporate some of that water. I had it sitting on a kitchen towel so we can drain in there. All right, so let's bring this up to a nice high heat real quick, and then we're going to add our teriyaki sauce with all of this stuff. You could add whatever else you wanted to. You could add peppers, onions, carrots, those snap peas, delicious. You could add whatever you want. Totally up to you. For tonight, I'm just going to do plain old broccoli and chicken. Again, you could add as well some cashews if you wanted to. Give that nice crunch. Delicious flavor. Healthy as well. Alright, so let's give this a nice stir. You can see the water on the bottom here evaporating. It's what we want. We don't want to thin our teriyaki sauce too much. So, alright. Looks like it's ready for the sauce. Alright. Let's pour some of this sauce in here. I wish you could see this, how delicious this is here. All right. Okay, let's pour some of this deliciousness in here. You can hear that sizzling. Delicious. Oh, the smell. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I can already tell that this is going to be so flavorful, so delicious. Healthy for the family. On a budget as well, because when you do the chicken, you're on a budget. Add whatever vegetables you want, whatever vegetables on sale that day. You can go ahead and grab it. This broccoli happened to be on sale, so bonus. And then with the rice, whatever rice you want, very hearty, filling, and very nice and affordable on the budget, which is perfect. We need that nowadays. With two parents needing to work, sometimes one parent needing to do 2 jobs, the kiddies at school, or being homeschooled with nowadays with what's going on out there. I know it can be difficult, so let's see what we can find on a budget that you can cook for the whole family. This is actually ready. That's how quick and easy this is. So the longest thing that took actually was dicing up the chicken. That's it. The sauce, easy. Cup of water, half a cup of light, low salt or low sodium soy sauce, a half a cup of brown sugar, make sure it's packed, chopped 1 clove of garlic. You could have some, you could either have real ginger if you want zest that or grate it a little bit, or you could have like a 1/4 teaspoon of the powdered, totally up to you, and the cornstarch. That's how easy homemade teriyaki sauce is. And with the rice, let's go ahead and give this a taste. I'm excited, super excited. All right, so jasmine rice, delicious, fruity little, or floral, I should say, flavor. Okay, and look at this, yummy, delicious. Yes, I have a slotted, so I'm not gonna get much sauce in here. So let's see what we can do here. A ladle, why not? There we go. Okay. Again, super hot for me, but see how delicious. Okay, so let's give this a little taste with everything. Chicken, the broccoli, and the rice, and the sauce. Super hot, but super flavorful. This is delicious all around. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Super easy. Try it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And again, if there's anything else that you want me to cook, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys watching this. I hope you subscribe and hit that notification bell so when you know I'm posting up new videos, you'll know. Thank you so much. Bye.